Alright y'all, welcome back. Today we're going to be making a worm farm. We've got a 40-quart tote here. Come over here and let's take a look at the material we have. We've got some organic materials like some leaves, some straw, some whatever, pine cone pieces, you know, just all kinds of organic material in there. We've got some dirt, some sand, and some sticks over here that we've gathered up. We're going to put it all in this bucket right here. So first things first, we're going to start with the organic material like this, a nice little coat on the bottom. That's going to allow for bedding and nesting for the worms. And then you want to add some of these sticks over here for, again, more cover for them. If y'all have ever been out and in the woods, y'all know how it is on the ground. And then after that, we'll add some of this dirt. Smooth it out. Add another little layer of material. You want to sprinkle the sand in here, because that's what they use to break down their food. So just go ahead and finish that. And then we're going to take it and fill it up with the rest of dirt. The rest of the dirt. Now there are no specific measurements on this at all. Now you want to wet it a little bit and make sure that there is not a ton of moisture in your box. And I like to do it like this so that you can see if there's any worms traveling around. If, like right here, you can see all the layers in there. And then, yeah, nothing too crazy. But you just add your worms in here. They'll find their way around in the dirt. And then, boom, you have a worm farm. You got to make sure and keep it moist and cool. And if your mom won't let you put a worm farm inside, even if you buy one, then you could do it like this and put it in your garage or shop. It'll be just fine. But in the summertime around here in Texas, it gets very warm. So, like today, it's a what? What is it, guys? 100 and, hold on, let me look. 103 is what it feels like right now. But, you know, just make sure and keep your things cold and they will survive. You got to feed them little things like lettuce scraps, tomatoes, if you got some old rotting vegetables. But make sure and cover them up. And then some banana peels. And I take, to keep them cool, I stick ice cubes on the top. Just a couple, not too many, because then you're going to waterlog the dirt and then that gets uncomfortable for them. But y'all, let me know if you like these kind of videos. I like to make them because I like to fish, so I love these worm farms here. And if y'all like gardening content, we've got a nice garden coming up soon. So y'all make sure and hit that subscribe button, that like and share, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.